Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can identify songs playing in Instagram Reels. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to download this app Shazam Music Discovery. You simply need to open this app and you simply need to start this app. After that you need to go back and open Instagram. So let me open and you need to open Reel, and after that here you can see that it is playing, and once your song will be identified it will notify you. So currently I make my music off due to here you can see that it will give me a notification because my mobile sound is off. So make sure that you have the sound on for your smartphone, and after that you need to retry. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.